Air pressure and weather. When a friend squeezes your arm, you feel pressure. That's because molecules collide with each other, like things on your arm, the ground, or a tree. They exert a force.
Air pressure is the weight of the atmosphere pressing down on the earth. It is measured by a barometer in units called millibars.
What is weather? It can be wind, or it can be cloudy. It can also be a bright sunny day.
Weather is change in temperature and state of the atmosphere. Examples are cloudy, windy, sunny, rainy, stormy, etc. Some facts about weather are that during hurricanes, 90% of people die from drowning. The coldest temperature recorded was negative 126.9 degrees Fahrenheit in Antarctica. Every year in the U.S., 625 people are struck by lightning.
Weather is created by many forces. Warm and humid air masses blowing in from the ocean fuel rain. Mountains cause rain, clouds, and snow because air has to get over them. So the air is lifted, causing cooling. Weather affects our daily lives.
If it's sunny, we go outside. If it's rainy, we stay inside.
Air pressure is the volume of air in an environment. Changes in air pressure can impact weather patterns. Did you know that changes in air pressure can cause psychological problems for people and animals? Well, it can. A fact that you should know is that isobars are lines connecting
Places of equal air pressure.
Have you ever had a bad day? Probably. Your bad mood affects others, like how air pressure affects weather. In this clip, Haley is upset, and she's taking it out on her water bottle.
Here you can see how Haley's bad mood affected Sam.
Ever have a good day? The same thing happens. Your good mood can affect others, like here.
Again, we confirm that the same thing happens. Low air pressure can cause bad weather, such as stormy weather. Other examples would be tornadoes, hurricanes, any type of bad weather. As low pressure causes bad weather, we can imagine that high pressure causes good weather. How do you predict weather? It's easy. You look outside and see what type of clouds are moving around and which ways they are moving. Seems to be sunny tomorrow. Air pressure is used in commercial applications. They can be used to make chemical spray out of cans by applying pressure on the cap, like the example shown. Standard pressure at sea level is 14.696 pounds. Uses are, it fills up gas tanks and can be used to blow up tires. How do you measure air pressure? You use a barometer. Barometers are used to predict weather too. This has been Air Pressure and Weather by Kristen and Renee.